What up, guys? This is Ashawnya and I'm here with another video. I'm about to do some crazy. Within recording this video, it's 2 days away from my birthday, so that means it's February the 7th, and I'm actually gonna go to the barber and get my hair cut. I don't know how I'm doing it. It's just towel right now. I have no idea. I'm actually gonna bleach it as well. So ever since I had like the 4 lots on, I can't remember what you call them. Takes off lots. My hair catch back itself. It's just been dropping off, so I'm just like, you know what? Let me just speed up the process, you know. So stay tuned to the salon, or to the barber, I should say. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So your girl just went and put a little bit of, you know, makeup and stuff on, you know, on your lips and on the eyebrows and things so that when they do it, you know, you can see if it look a little good, you know what I mean? So stay tuned to the barber I go. Alright, so your girl has made it to the barber. We got here full swan barber shop. I'm actually going to show you guys the sign when I get back outside, you know, sign. But stay tuned. Well, here goes. I'm about to cut all this hair off and the journey has begun. Before he was like, you ready? I'm like, yeah, because I'm actually not even scared or anything. I was so ready to get all of that hair off of my head. Right now, what he's doing is applying some, I don't even know if it's Vaseline, but you get the gist. Okay, it is Vaseline. I just saw the bottle all around my hairline. I guess that's because if it touches my skin, it may cause blisters. I don't know what it's for, you know. I'm not au fait with all this fancy technology, but yeah, it's how I calling it technology. Anyway, the bleach is about to be applied, and there you go. I put it on time lapse, and he's applying it all over my head. He actually had a timer on, and then I basically leave it on. I can't remember how long he left it on for, but I left it on for a good while. I'm showing you the back, and you can actually see it started to process and break down already. Look at that life. So it's time to wash out, and during this time, and I washed it out. Okay, we are about to wash out. I actually noticed that the color was looking really nice. It came out a yellowish color after it was done. Not the color I really originally wanted, but you guys can actually still see based on you know, the clips that you're about to see what it's actually gonna fully look like. But yeah, I am enjoying a good laugh, as you can see, but I don't have the music on because of the simple fact in the background there was songs playing that's gonna copyright me. And here I am giving it a nice wash. Absolutely, because you gotta make sure you get all of that bleach out of your head. But here's the thing, I literally didn't want the yellowish cast. I wanted a platinum blonde. So what he attempted to do was dye it platinum blonde. But what had happened was, you're gonna see it, but what do I look like? A frazzled chicken that been in a fight. But what you're gonna see is basically the color that it actually turns. As you can see, the color here, you know, coming together. Well, at least it looks like it's coming together. You're gonna see it actually came with in blotches. I'm not mad or anything. Here's the thing, you know, with this type of process, you never know how it's going to turn out. But at least the hair is yellow where it can actually take any color. I'm under the dryer. I've been on the hair for a very long minute. I'm not even gonna lie. Then when I actually wash it out, what is happening here is you're gonna see how the color came out. It gave like a metallic gray. I don't know why it came out so metallic, but then it was in blotches, like some parts saturated with it and some parts didn't. So then he attempted to do it again, but alright, here for Swan Barber Shop. So I actually just realized I did not end the video. I did not do the end result. So basically it came out in like blotches. So there's different, like the platinum dye is here, but it's not here, so it didn't saturate and penetrate right throughout. So what I'm gonna do, I would have just bought some developer, and I would have bought some, I don't even know what I bought. I just got the advice from my best friend who's done this crazy stuff to her head before, and she told me what to buy, so I bought it, and I'm gonna attempt to do it again. Today is 24 hours exact later, and what I'm gonna do is attempt to get that platinum blonde that I do desire, and I'm actually gonna take you along the journey with me, so just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I bought. This is not a paid promotion, by the way. Like I said, this is what my best friend told me to buy. So I am using a 20 volume developer, the cream version, she told me. And this thing from Color Charm, from Wella, and it named Color Charm T18. I'm gonna attempt to mix these together and get the platinum that I need. So stay tuned. Alright, so because I don't think that I'm gonna need the full bottle, because I mean, granted, you currently got the hair punch head, right? So I brought along this thing here because it says it's supposed to mix 1 part of this and 2 parts of this. And I'm gonna measure it using this glass right here. So just stay tuned. God, boy, look. When I tell you strong. Strong is oh shit, I forget that they got audio. That only goes to show y'all, like, this thing's so strong. Oh Lord, excuse my French. I'm gonna bleep it out for the kids. So that's 1 part of this, and I'm gonna do another part of this. And I'm gonna mix this up and show you guys, so stay tuned. This is basically what it came out like. I'm just gonna mix this until it mixes right in, and I'm gonna show you that when it's done. Okay, just by the way, this thing is extremely strong when it comes to scent. This is basically what it's looking like, the consistency. I don't know what the consistency is supposed to look like, but I'm gonna spread this all over my head now. I think I'm actually gonna use my hand and my gloves and beat it, you know, the ghetto style. So what I can do is just put you in a space which part you can see me good. Alright, I skipped one important step that I think I should have done, but it's already in, it's already done. I'm gonna tell you what that step is. I don't know if I have it evenly, but it feels that way. And I'm actually using this to see, basically. But I saw him put like Vaseline around the naps of my head yesterday. But here's the thing, I actually just feel like if I stay on here anyway, so it should be good. I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm double recording just in case you're wondering why I'm looking at my phone or whatever. So I'm recording over here as well for the portrait social medias. Alright y'all, so it's done. And I'm gonna take this off. I don't know why it's purple, but even if it's purple, I guess I'm going to have to rock some purple here. I'm double recording, by the way, but it's saturated, and I'm going to go wash it out, so stay tuned for when I come back. I'm actually gonna record on here washing it out, but on YouTube I'm just gonna come back. Alright, so this is a toothbrush, ignore this. So I'm clueless as to what the color is, to be quite honest with you. I just decided I'm gonna make it taboo and I don't know what it is. I have a heat cap here, it's a portable one. I'm gonna plug it in. I have some, let me show you, olive oil replenishing conditioner in my hair currently, so I'm just leaving this in my hair. I also have some, listen, I got products, I know what they are. Again, this is not a paid promotion, but I'm gonna put this heat cap on and make it do. And in the meantime, oh Lord, it's about to cook my head. In the meantime, I'm gonna near my legs, so stay tuned. So I've got near here that actually has soothing aloe vera in it, and with a water lily scent. This is the nair that I have. I'm gonna nair these legs. Listen, this thing is so hot. Anyway, I do have the nair on both legs, just so you guys see. Oh Lord. Alright y'all, so this is the end result. I'm going to be honest, I honestly can't tell if it's different or not. I guess when I play back the clips close to each other, I'll be able to tell, but I can still see the blotches that were there previously. But I don't know if it lightened or not. I really can't tell. let's put some moisture in it. Alright y'all, so I actually think that I can see a difference. At first I wasn't sure, I wasn't certain, but I think I can see a difference now. To be honest with you, Lord. right, y'all, thank you guys for watching this video. Oh my god, it looks so greasy. But then within doing this closeout, it is actually the 18th of February, so I actually already have black in between growing back, the part, everything, you know what I'm saying. But thank you all for watching this video. Today's post notification shout outs goes to Donna Lisa Moore and Chris Latoya. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and stay tuned for more vlogs on this channel. Peace.
We gonna mash up the road. It's Ashawnya. Andale. Tell you what. My waistline hot like temper. Move up right down and center. My wine is an adventure with me.